guys, I'm Kalel. I'm the greatest beauty in the world. I want to show my Lego set. Just give me a sec, okay? Wait. This is my build right here. Look at Jungle Island and look that lab over here. And I make that for digging stops. And I got this skeleton. Let's go do it then. And this is another big right here. Yeah. Then this is the horse I got. Look. And I got mine with Steve. Yeah. Made in Lego. Thank you all. Thank you everyone. Subscribe and like and comment and notification bell for more. Thank you so much guys. Bye.